Hi, welcome to ArcoLinuxD. On ArcoLinuxD website, we give you the power to build your ISO yourself. And at this point in time, we're February 2020, we have 18 ISOs for you to build. Right, we have the ArcoLinux ISO. You can build and change the packages that we have. We have 3 browsers, Inkscape, GIMP. Maybe you like it without GIMP, for instance, right? So that's another video. What we're going to do now is build ArcoLinuxD ISO. ArcoLinuxD is at this point in time the most bare version you ever could imagine. It's gonna be a black terminal and you get your scripts in, or you install more software via Calamares. It's all up to you. It's the freedom you have today. How to build ArcoLinuxD. All right, here's the procedure. Git clone this line, so copy and you're out. This one, let's clean everything up from the last video. Go to your desktop, then open a new window on your desktop. This is your desktop. Right mouse click, open terminal here, Ctrl Shift V. Go get the ArcoLinuxD ISO. The D stands for, well, choose your own desktop, right? It's the very bare and minimal version that we have, where you end up in a black screen, get the scripts in, or if you want to install it via Calamares, you can do now as well in February 2020. All you need to know is you navigate to, let's take a look at the text again. You are here. Change the packages if you want to. So if you want to just have exact same amount of packages and exact same packages that we have, don't change anything. But if you say, I'm gonna have a look at these packages they are putting on there because I do not like it, I want more packages, I want less packages, you just be my guest and take a look at all the stuff that's in here. If you're familiar with Carly, you know that Arch ISO provides us several packages, so this is something to keep off. But there are things that are really up to the user to want or not want. So if you want to have Chromium in the end, or you want to have dmenu because you're going to install i3 later on, and so on, stuff that you already know, I want this, I need this, I want GIMP and I want Genie, so you can just hashtag them out and they will be on the ISO already. You don't need to type sudo pacman -s Genie later on because it's built in the ISO, burnt in the ISO. So that's the point. Whatever you like, you see here is, or either you put a hashtag in front of it, or you just delete a hashtag, and that's it basically. All right, so if you've done all these choices, I'm gonna go for Ctrl Z and keep everything normal without any changes. Then you're going to go to the installation scripts, and these two guys are the important ones. These are for us to change the versions and to update it on GitHub. You can't update on our GitHubs, so that's not useful. But what you need to know is, I see I have a different kind of neofetch from testing. So let me just tweak this a little bit for you guys. So Ctrl-Alt-E, our tweak tool is changed here. Neofetch, reset. This is what's coming to you. This is not yet available to the public. We are beta testing this. I just noticed that, and this is the normal view we have. All right, so the point is we open this here. We don't just do Ctrl-Alt-T. It's not in the proper directory, in the home directory, so that's not okay. We need to open up a terminal here, and then we need to run either 30 or 40. And the idea is the 40 came to life because of the fact that I was on small band at some point in time. I said, oh my god, this is gonna take forever. What is number 30 doing? Number 30 is actually cleaning out our particular folder that pacman used. So it has nothing to do with ArcoLinux, it's everything to do with ArcoLinux, the cache, the pacman, and then the packages. These folders, these files, this folder here includes all the packages that I needed to build ArcoLinux ISO. All of them are in here. So when you build the ISO today, I would do this on a daily basis. If you build it from day to day, you know, do it once every day. Clean everything out, start afresh, and that's what this does. It's gonna clean this folder out and then re-download everything again. So that's bandwidth, right? It's speed of internet, bandwidth is all these things matter. So once you've downloaded everything, and maybe we could do this in this video, because the other video of ArcoLinux shows you how everything is deleted. So maybe this video can show you how everything is not deleted. So 40 is going to rebuild it, because we've built an ISO like 50 minutes ago. So all the packages are new, but that's just too much, because ArcoLinuxD is a bare one, but it will use nevertheless the packages that it needs. That's locally here. So this build is gonna be much faster. Why? It's not going to download anything. It just checks, do I have everything? Is already installing stuff. Normally we'd have a long list of downloading this, downloading that. No, he skipped all that and he says, I've got it. It's here. I'm just going to install it. And same goes for 614 packages. The other one was 1100 or something like that. ArcoLinux ISO. Check the video out. And basically, only thing he just got is this one, the ArcoLinuxD Calamaris configuration and the ArcoLinux config live session. So 2 new packages have been downloaded. That's it. All the rest was already available on the machine. So it will get what it's missing, but it will reuse Xorg and all those stuff that was already in the system. We can't go for Xorg. It's there. It's already in here, all the Xorg stuff. No need to download it. It's locally there. So that's faster, running number 40, but of course, first you need to run number 30, so to get the packages. Let's wait for the ISO to pop out and talk some more. And there we are. It's not so many minutes it takes, of course, now, because we've run number 40, but the end result is, of course, always the same. It's going to be an ISO. At this point, it's 1.3 gigabytes big. And it's going to be somewhere on your system. It's going to be in ArcoLinuxD out. This is what we've just built a few minutes ago. It is an ISO with the content of all the packages that's on there, with some checksums to make sure if you want to share it with other people, so that they know that it's the correct ISO. So there we go. You have just built yourself an ArcoLinuxD version, the way we do it. And you change anything you want on there, because you are in control of what goes on there, because of the fact that you have the packages list. Change it, run it, and you have your own personalized ArcoLinuxD. Use the power, build the ISOs. Cheers.